Section 3.7, example 1, identifying an inverse function for the given input output pair. So for the particular one-to-one function, we're assuming that this function is already one-to-one based on this sentence. F of 2 is equal to 4 and f of 5 is equal to 12. I know that looks like a 13, but I promise it's a 12. What are the corresponding input and output values for the inverse function? So one thing to note is with one-to-one functions, their inverses reciprocate domain and range. So the domain of our function is now the range of our inverse function, and the range of our function is now the domain of our inverse function. So where f of x, so we have our function f of x, it spits out two different values. So it spits out the coordinate 2 comma 4. So for the input 2 we get 4. It also spits out 5 comma 12. So when we input 5, our output is 12. So now looking at that, our inverse function is going to switch all the values. It's going to switch the domain and the range. So now for our inverse function, so f inverse of x, we have a point where instead of 2 comma 4, we have input 4, output 2. So 4 comma 2. And our second point is going to be the opposite of this one. So input 12, output 5. Input 12, output 5. And that's it. So our domain in this case is made up of 2 or 4 and 12, and our range is made up of 2 and 5. Super simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.